We have acoustic wall panels. This is a dark walnut color. It does come with 8 in a pack and it's really easy to install. So literally the back is a sticker. You don't need a drill, you don't need to nail. You literally peel off the sticker and attach it to your wall. This does help with noise. So if you have a thin wall separating office, or if you have a nursery, studio, these help absorb sound. Notice they're rather thin, so it doesn't protrude out of the wall too far. They look nice, they're classy, they're modern looking. They have texture and dimension. So I want to do an unpackaging here on camera. Notice how nice they are packaged. It has plastic corners to keep the edges from chipping during shipping. Front and back has a hard wood piece protecting the front and back of the panels. You can see there's 8 in a pack. They're not super flimsy, but they're not stiff. This is what the gigantic sticker on the back looks like. You simply just peel it off and apply it to your surface. You can see us install here, so it's super easy. You just peel off the back. You want to make sure it's leveled because you want to make sure the first shot is the right shot. We have ours going down a long, awkward hallway. They're decorative, but they also help absorb sound, being that we are in office space. Notice how easy it is to install. My husband is simply removing the wax piece and applying pressure onto the sticky part. Decorative and effective.